The Apple Watch SE3 can overheat during charging, workouts, or after watchOS updates due to the S9 SiP chip and battery interaction. Heat builds up when the processor exceeds 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. Charging heat is often caused by wireless charging, especially with non-certified chargers, or when the watch is in direct sunlight. Intensive workouts strain the chip, while the watch's tight fit can trap heat. watchOS updates introduce background processes that may initially spike temperatures, but the OS includes thermal management to cap performance. Software updates have reduced overheating complaints by 40% since 2024. To address overheating, first ensure your watchOS is up to date via the Watch app on your iPhone. Perform a force restart by holding the side button and digital crown for 10 seconds. Clear the cache via Settings, General, Reset. Use only Apple-certified chargers and ensure proper ventilation during charging. During workouts, use looser bands for better airflow. AI-driven thermal controls in watchOS 12, expected late 2025, could preemptively adjust settings. If problems persist, Apple offers free diagnostics at authorized service centers. In most cases, fixes are software-related and don't indicate long-term hardware risks.